Have you ever wondered about mountains that keep getting taller? Believe it or not, there's a mountain range that grows every single year. It's called the Himalayas, and it's home to some of the tallest mountains on Earth, including Mount Everest. The Himalayas are located in Asia, stretching across several countries like Nepal, India, and Tibet. These mountains are truly massive, with some peaks reaching over 8,000 meters high. That's taller than 26 Empire State Buildings stacked on top of each other. But what makes the Himalayas special is that they're still growing. Every year, these mountains get a little bit taller. Scientists have measured this growth and found that the Himalayas rise about 5 millimeters each year. That might not sound like much, but over time, it adds up. So why are the Himalayas growing? The answer lies deep beneath the Earth's surface. Our planet is made up of large pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are always moving, even though we can't feel it. The Himalayas are growing because two of these plates, the Indian plate and the Eurasian plate, are slowly crashing into each other. Imagine pushing two pieces of paper together on a table. As you push, the paper will crumple and rise up. That's similar to what's happening with the Himalayas. As the two plates push against each other, the land between them is forced upward, creating these tall mountains. This process has been going on for millions of years, and it's still happening today. In fact, the Himalayas are considered a relatively young mountain range in geological terms. They started forming about 50 million years ago, which might seem like a long time to us, but it's actually quite recent in Earth's history. The growth of the Himalayas affects more than just the mountains themselves. It influences the climate of the surrounding regions, creates unique habitats for plants and animals, and even impacts the flow of rivers that millions of people depend on. As we look to the future, the Himalayas will continue to grow, albeit very slowly. While we may not notice the change in our lifetimes, future generations will see a slightly taller mountain range. It's a reminder of how our planet is always changing, even in ways we can't always see.